afternoon. I am Yatin Mota and welcome to this Moneycontrol live, and this is the midday market mood check. Today, if you talk about the markets, have been quiet. No big action has been really seen in the markets. But if you talk about the benchmark indices, Nifty right now up marginally by 29 points. As far as Sensex is concerned, we are about 60 points higher on that one. Nifty Bank is in the red by nearly 68 points. But yes, the mid-cap indices are up nearly 0.2% each. Advance decline ratio favoring the advances. The market breadth is good today. Almost 11 advances to 8 declines. So the advance decline ratio remains healthy. When it comes to the sectoral performance today, metals, energy and FMCG stocks are doing well. What's not doing well is the like of IT stocks and media stocks. Now today, the reason why IT stocks are down is the JP Morgan downgrade or the negative outlook on IT stocks. JP Morgan in its report said that the kind of discretionary spend cuts that we are looking at globally for IT companies could hamper the earnings moving ahead. Obviously, today they also downgraded the stock of Persistent Systems, post which the stock is also down about 3% in trade. As far as Nifty 50 stocks are concerned, Tata Group stocks are in focus. We have Tata Consumer, Tata Steel, the top Nifty gainers. Tata Consumer up by nearly 5% and Tata Steel gaining by nearly 2%. Remember yesterday we had the annual report which got published for Tata Steel, post which the stock has been doing well. Power Grid, NTPC are the other power stocks which are doing well in trade. What's not doing well in trade is the likes of Bajaj Finance down 1%. Bharti Airtel, Bajaj Finserv and Hero MotoCorp are the other stocks which are down in trade, marginally 0.5 to 1% losses coming in for that one. But what's doing well and supporting the market is big boy Reliance Industries. Bernstein came out with a report yesterday which expects good upside with the green hydrogen business. Today, Reliance has marked turnover nearly 850 crores in the cash segment NSE BSE, and we have the stock which is up by nearly 1 percentage points. Also doing well is the likes of HDFC Limited and HDFC Bank, nearly 0.5% higher for both of these stocks. What's doing well in Nifty 50 is Tata Consumer, NTPC, BPCL, Nestle and Ultratech Cement. These 5 stocks on the Nifty have been hitting fresh 52-week highs or multi-year highs in trade today. Let's talk about the mid-cap end of the market. Tanla Solutions, yesterday up 10%, today another 8% coming in for that one. Shyam Metals as well as PCBL and KEI Industries, all of these stocks up anywhere between 5 to 7%. So good momentum coming in there. On the correction side, we have Suzlon down 6%. KPIT Technologies, surprise downtick, stock is down 5%. Bandhan Bank is down 3% and HDFC AMC is down 3%. Now, if you look at the stocks which are making news, there are some interesting names there. Let's talk about Anupam Rasayan. They have won a 2,200 crore contract award from the Japanese pharma company, multi-speciality company, wherein post the contract win or the LOI, the stock is gaining by nearly 3%. CDSL saw 45 lakh shares block deal in which sources indicate Bombay Stock Exchange has been selling shares. The stock is down in trade after the deal happened in the 985 to 990 rupees per share range. Tata Chemicals, and that stock is under pressure, 3% down. There is a downward revision with the company announced with the soda ash prices. They have cut the soda ash prices by nearly 2,300 rupees per ton. JP Morgan, as I mentioned earlier, downgraded the stock of Persistent Systems. They have put a target price of 4,100. The stock is under pressure. And Vodafone Idea as well as Indus Towers. These are the 2 stocks which are in focus because the Economic Times has reported that Vodafone Idea would be raising nearly 14,000 crores from the Birla Group as well as Vodafone PLC to augment its capital requirements. And if this fundraising goes through, it could be a boon for Vodafone Idea in the short term because the company is in requirement of high cash as well as upgrade on the 4G network. Overall, the market has been stable today, not like yesterday wherein we saw some good rally coming in. But yes, let's see how the markets really shape up in the second half of this trading session. Obviously, we have a lot of central bank events in Europe and US. They will be talking about how they look at inflation. But if you look at India inflation data, that came in on the negative side at a 90-month low. So clearly inflation has been cooling off and the data shows it all. Let's see what happens to the market in the second half. Do join me again at 3:30 as I talk about the key stocks to focus on as well as what happened in the market overall for today. Thank you for watching Money Control, and stay tuned to Money Control for all your business news updates.